Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn some of the interview questions on Power BI, DAX. So first question, what is DAX? So to do basic calculation and data analysis on data, so we use data analysis expression. DAX is nothing but data analysis expression. It is a formula language used to compute calculated column and calculated field. So DAX works on column values. DAX cannot modify or insert data. We can create calculated column and measures with DAX, but we cannot calculate rows using DAX. So this is about DAX. So what are the most common DAX functions used? So the most common DAX functions used are sum, min, max, average, count rows, distinct count, if and or switch, is blank, is filtered, is cross filtered, values, all, filter, calculate, union, intersect, except, median, date diff, and more. So these are some of the commonly used DAX function. So next question, what are the three fundamental concepts of DAX? The three fundamental concepts of DAX are syntax, functions, and context. First, syntax. Syntax is the formula which includes the functions. If a syntax is incorrect, it will result in an error. Next, functions. Functions are arguments with specific orders to perform. It helps to calculate any particular order as required. Context. Context are of two types, row context and filter context. Row context is used when a formula has a function that applies a filter to identify a row in a table. Filter context is used when one or more filters are used to get a value. So these are the three fundamental concepts of DAX. Next question. So what are the purpose and benefits of using the DAX functions? So DAX, nothing but data analysis expression, is a functional language which can create calculated columns and or measures for smarter calculations to limit the data the dashboard has to fetch and visualize. So this is the main purpose of using DAX function. So next question. How is the filter function used? The filter function returns a table with a filter condition applied for each of its source table rows. The filter function is rarely used in isolation. It's generally used as a parameter to other functions such as calculate. Next, filter is an iterator and thus can negatively impact performance over large source tables. So, next, what is the calculate function in DAX? The calculate function measures the sum of a column from any table and can be modified with filters. What is special or unique about calculate and calculatable functions? These are only functions that allow to modify filter context of measures or tables, add to existing filter context of queries, override filter context from queries, and remove existing filter context from queries. So these are the special features of this function, and some of the limitations are filter parameters can only operate on a single column at a time. Filter parameters cannot reference a metric. So these are the limitations. So next question, what is the common table function for grouping data? Summarize. So this is the main group function, is summarize. So next question, what are some benefits of using variables in DAX? DAX or data analysis expression is a functional language which can create calculated columns for smarter calculations to limit data the dashboards had to fetch and visualize. So, these are the some of the interview questions, DAX interview questions. Thank you.